YouTube, it's Ava here. How are you doing? Today I'm going to share with you a couple of unboxing. It's a collective haul. It's not that I bought this item all together. It's been a past few months of purchases. I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm filming this at night. I was just out and about today, so I decided why not do a couple of unboxing before I use this item and show you what I got these past few months. So let's get started. Okay, I got 3 items to show you today. One from Fendi, Prada and Tiffany Co. I'll start with the smallest item first, and this is the most recent purchase. It's still packaged like how I bought it. I haven't used it yet, so let's open up the ribbons here. Okay, so there's a protective here. So this is my first Tiffany Co items actually. Oh, this is the receipt. I'll get back to you on this one. Oh, it's a bag within a bag. Okay, this is the small bag. And this is the box. Okay, it looks so cute. Alright, so let's unbox this. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, so to reveal, not yet, this is the cute pouch. It's the Tiffany blue pouch, and ta-da! I got the silver bracelet. It's called the Return to Tiffany silver bracelet. I will do a close-up. I love this bracelet because it is a classic bracelet of theirs. It will never go out of style, and I can stack it with my Cartier bracelet like this. And it will look like this. I had to get it shortened, and it took about 3 weeks, so that's why it's the most recent item that I got, but I purchased it first actually. This is the extra beads that they cut for me, that they removed for me to shorten it. I'll share with you the price in Malaysian ringgit. Oh, sorry. This is the service request information. Okay, the bracelet is called Return to Tiffany Mini Heart Tag in sterling silver on a bead bracelet. Wow, that's long. And the standard small length is 6.5 inches, and I shortened it to 6 inches. So it's about 4 beads removed from the original one. The price is 710 ringgit, Malaysian ringgit, with tax. Oh, there's no tax currently in here, so that's why I've been buying some of the items currently. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This is the item that I got from Prada. this is the shopping bag. The paper bag is very thin, I must say. So this item doesn't come with a box, so I'm just doing this for you guys. Alright, and this is the dust bag. Ta-da! I bought a pouch in burgundy. It is the color is very nice. This is a replacement of my current wristlet slash pouch, which is from Kate Spade, and it's old. It needs to be replaced. This is made from nylon with leather wristlet. Okay, so I'll take out the, so I can use this today. I'm so glad. Alright, this is the inside. Don't know if you can see. Okay, there's a zipper inside here. There's a zipper inside here. It's not focusing, is it? There's a zipper inside here. Oh, there's the authenticity card. I bought it in Pavilion. When you buy items from Prada, they will say where you bought it from, the date, and the code item, the material, and the color. So this is the front. Comes in this black envelope. Alright. Zipper is very nice. Okay. I love the color. Oh my god. The price, let me see. Okay. This is the envelope that it comes with. Put the receipt. Sorry, this is my address, my name. Okay, the price is 1,150 ringgit Malaysia with no tax, and yeah, this is the price. You can see, primarily bought it in black, but I went out today and changed this color because it's better to get it in this color. I have a lot of things in black already, so I think I need this pop of color. Even though it's not that pop of color, it's still a dark burgundy. It says in the card here, what they call it, Vela Bordeaux. I don't know, I must be butchering it. So here it is. Okay guys, this is the next item that I'm very excited to share with you. It comes with this huge Fendi paper bag, shopping bag. I love this detail on the packaging, guys. And this is velvet. This feels very luxe. Okay, so let me take this out. Okay, I'm going to put this. It comes in this box. I have used the bag once, but I put it back for you guys. Alright, opening. I don't know how the other YouTubers do this, but it's very hard, you guys, to do it with one hand. Okay, this is the paper bag. Okay, So I'm going to take it down. Oh, I ripped it. It's okay. It's just papers. So, what is this? Ah, okay. If I show you that, you will know. Alright. Ta-da! There's nothing in here. Ta-da! Okay. Let's take it out. Isn't this cute? Okay, this is the strap, and this is the rain cover, I think. So it's so cool. It has this rain cover. I don't think I'm going to use it, even though it rains every day here, but I'm not sure if I can carry the rain cover all the time in this bag. So I'm putting out everything, and this is it. So I bought from them this Rhye or Twilly, whatever you want to call it. So there is like 2 colors, so you can choose whichever mood you are in. You are in a colorful mood, or just in the, this is what they call it, Zucca print color, or maybe it's darker, I think. And this one is very fun, multiple color, and I think it's a must when you have a peekaboo, and to also get the Rhye. There's no feet because this is the Napa leather. It's the lambskin. It is so soft, and I'm scared that I'm going to scratch it, but I'm a sucker for soft leather, guys. So inside here, I don't know if I can show you. Inside here, there is a zipper pocket, and here there's just a pocket. So I think the zipper pocket is the front side. Okay, let me try and close it. This is how it's closed. With it closed, but I think I'm not going to wear it closed. I'm just going to wear it like this, with this button unbuttoned. Sorry guys, I'm so excited for this color. Oh my god, I don't know how it comes off on the camera. It looks very beigey, but there's like some some gray to it. I don't know how to explain the color, and I got it in the silver hardware. Okay, inside is so soft. Right, and this is the strap. It's the strap. I have the Fendi to put me extra 2 buttons, so that's why it's like this, because I'm very short, I'm very petite. I need it to be shorter, so I don't mind this. What can I do? So yeah, this is my recent purchase, guys. Oh, I forgot, before I forgot to share with you the price. Okay, a little bit of disclaimer why I'm sharing the price, because I've always see other YouTubers doing this unboxing and they did not share the price, and for me, I would like to know the price of the things that they bought, so I will know what to expect, if I can get it or not, or I do not need to make extra research for it. Okay, I'm very sorry, my clip of showing the price got cut off, and I didn't notice until
the time that I'm editing it, which is now. So yeah, this is the name of the bag: mini peekaboo bag, lamb leather in doff with palladium hardware, and the Rhye, which is this is the product code, and this is the price. It's for the bag is 13,999 ringgit, and for the Rhye is 707. There is no tax included in here, and I bought this in Fendi in KLCC. Yeah.
Okay, when buying the bag, the Peekaboo, the sales associate offered if they can make a sketch for me. They have an artist, Fendi have an artist there. So, but it's not ready on that day itself. So they took a picture of me on the day that I bought the bag, and they gave it to the artist to make a sketch of me. If the artist is there, they can sketch your portrait live in front of you. But because on the day that I went, on weekdays, there's no artist there at that time. My sales associate just took a picture. A week after that, I just go and pick it up, and I haven't opened it yet, but they sent me a picture of the sketch actually. So yeah, I'm opening this thing again. This is my first Fendi item, I think. So it comes in this nice velvet material. Wow, the folio is very nice. It's velvet material, and the back is like this. Okay, I don't know if you can see the velvet here. And then this is the sketch. So you can request what bag and what outfit of Fendi that you want them to sketch, but the face will be yours. So yeah, this is how they made it. So pretty, right? So I think I'm going to frame it and put it on my living room to my hall of frames. Yeah, and there's my name here. Cute, right? Yeah, I'm so happy to get this. So I have one more item to frame in my living room. I'm sorry you guys, my recording got cut off during me showing those Fendi receipt, and that was also my outro saying goodbye to you guys. So this is a goodbye to you guys. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing today, and take care. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.